everybody, this is what we make into a hand, but this is just my hand because look. But let's do a beginning now.
Hello everybody. Okay, we are going to do a quick video to show you how to make some icy Halloween hands. It's just a quick activity. So we've got our rubber gloves. So we're going to use these and we're going to fill them with some water. And then we've got in here, we've got some spiders and we've got a mixture of Halloween sequins, googly eyes and ghosts. Yes, we've got ghosts as well, haven't we? We've got some glitter, some green and orange glitter. And then we've got some food colouring as well. So, first of all, we're going to start off getting our hand. Obviously make sure that we haven't got any holes in our gloves, because what would happen if I pour the water in the glove and it's got holes in?
It'll fall out.
It will, all over. So make sure we've got no holes in our gloves. And then we've got some water. So Isabella, which colour water would you like to put in our first glove? Purple, very good choice.
I'm going to put it in my hand.
We're going to fill. Oh, so we're going to put our food colouring in there. It's like a witchy colour, isn't it?
And then we'll mix it up.
And then we're going to mix it up. I'm just going to use the end, I think, to mix it in. Oh, look at that.
It's turning all purple like... No.
Don't put it in. So what we're going to do is, Mummy is going to hold this, and can you pour our water into our glove? So take this glove off. We'll turn that round.
Oh, look what it's making me.
Oh, that's all right. You lift it very slowly. Pour that's it. Keep pouring. Keep pouring. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Very good. So we filled our hand. So what we're going to do now, in this one, we are going to put some of our sequins and some of our googly eyes. Can you pick our googly eyes and sequins? And we're going to pop them into here. Whoa, that one escaped. Right, go on then, pop them in there. Oh, all in. Go on, put some more in. Keep going. Let's fill them up. Not ghosts in this one. We'll put ghosts in the next one. Ghosts and spiders in the next one. So this one's going to be sequins, googly eyes, and I think we've got some gems in there, haven't we? I think there's some pumpkins and bats as well. So you pop them all in there.
Ew, orange.
Oh, orange. Oh, that's a good one, isn't it? Yeah. Some more. Do you think that we've got enough in there?
Yeah, one more.
One more. Go on then. Oh, right. So we now have in here, we've got our purple water and we've got googly eyes and we've got our glitter. So they're all just inside of our water. So we're going to
put purple in mine.
Well, shall we do a different colour one next?
Oh, but I want mine purple.
You want yours purple as well? Well, I think we should do another colour because look,
Mum's
got some more water over here. We're going to tie a knot in our hand.
Mum,
yeah.
Why you pour the purple water? Can I pour the purple water and then mix it?
Well, why don't we... Oh, you're right. Why don't we do a different colour on the next one? Because Mum can't get this tied.
I think...
It's a good job Rachel can just cut this bit out, isn't it? Right, hang on.
Like time blue.
It's a good job this isn't alive. Right, hang on. I'm going to stick that through there.
Look at all the things.
Oh. Hang on, don't squeeze it because the water will squirt everywhere.
I want to hold.
Right, so we've tied a nice tight knot in our first hand and it's all ready to go into the freezer. Do you want to hold it? What does it feel like? Don't squeeze it too hard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right, so we'll leave that one over there. I'm going to do our second one. So what colour are we going with our second one? Orange. Ooh, like a pumpkin. Pop some orange into our second jug of water.
I'm mixing it.
Go on, then you mix it with the other end like that. Nice and gently. That's it. Right down the bottom. Get it all mixed in. Very good. Right, there we go. All done. We done?
I'm making it oranger.
I'm making it oranger. Right. Now again, check our second one. Any holes? Or a good way of doing it is if you go like this.
Wow.
Right, so I'm going to hold again. And you're going to slowly mix. Pour it in. That's it. That's it. Ooh, keep going. Keep going. Oh, and stop. Right, and then this time we're going to put some green and orange glitter in. So we'll do our glitter first. Pour the just pour it in from the tub. That's it. All in. Whoa. Go on, pour it in. That's it. Bit more. Very good.
Now green.
And then our green. Wow. That's a lot of glitter, isn't it?
Now.
Right, wait a minute. So we'll give that a mix. So we've got our water in there with our green and orange glitter, which will just slowly go. It looks a bit like a lava lamp, isn't it? Right, and then we're going to put some ghosts and some spiders in. It's a big spider, that one, isn't it? Go on then, pop them in. So one spider.
Here comes the tiniest.
The tiny one. Go on then, put the tiny one in.
Let's put Daddy in. The
Go on then.
biggest one ever.
Go on then, put him in.
Yeah.
Right, and then the ghosts, do you think? Oh, all the spiders are going in. I hope there's some room. And then 1, 2, 3 ghosts. Oh, wow. We'll push them down.
Can we put
And then we're going to tie a knot in our
one
second
secret?
one.
So
No,
that's-
well, we've got sequins in the
but
other
I
one.
want pink.
So we're going to put our knot in here. No, we've got sequins in this one, and we've got glitter and spiders and water in this one. So we're going to tie a knot in this one, and then we're going to pop them in the freezer. And what happens when we put water in the freezer?
What?
What happens? What does water turn into in the freezer? Ice.
Aye.
Yeah, so these are going to go lovely and hard in our freezer. So we'll do that. Pop them in there, wait for them to go hard overnight, and then we'll see what they look like in the morning.